Here we will do next law of component to divide and do, which is basics of the chapter number 3 exercise, and it is a bit of difficult for different students, so I am trying here very best to use very simple method to solve these questions. So let us see. Now here is question number 7, part first. Under root 3x plus 2 divided by under root 3x plus 2, under root 3x plus 2 plus under root x under root 3x plus 2 minus under root x is equal to 4 by 1. Now applying law of component to divide and do. So in this law we will write this first value numerator plus this denominator value here in the numerator, and then we will write in the denominator first the numerator, then minus denominator. See here, and same situation occurs with this side, 4 plus 1 in numerator and 4 minus 1 in the denominator. Now we are seeing that here we have this under root x cancel with under root x, so we have remaining value 2 under root 3x plus 2. Now see, this is plus, this is also plus, so they cannot be cancelled. Similarly, we applied minus on this bracket, so this value becomes minus and this will become minus into minus plus, so they cancel with each other. And 4 plus 1, 5, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now we have 2 into under root 3x plus 2 divided by 2 into under root x is equal to 5 by 3. Now this 2 cancel with this one. In next step, we take the square on both sides. So taking square, so they cancel with the square root. Also this square is square root. So 3x plus 2 divided by x is equal to 25 divided by 9. Now by cross multiplication, 9 multiply with these two, so 9 3s are 27x and 9 2s are 18 and 25x. So we shift, we gather the x variable values to one side and the constant to the other side, and then we subtract these two values, so they will result as 2x is equal to minus 18. Then dividing both sides by 2, so 2 cancel with each other, and here 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, so x is equal to minus 9. Okay, question number 7, part second. X minus 1 whole square plus x plus 2 whole square divided by x minus 1 whole square minus x plus 2 whole square is equal to minus 17 by 8. Now here again apply law of component to divide and do. So write the numerator plus denominator, right? So I have written numerator plus denominator, and the divide, again write the numerator, this value, and then put minus and write the second denominator value here, and here minus 17 plus 8 and minus 17 minus 8. Now this minus is with minus is with 17. So then in this equation we are seeing that x plus 2 whole square cancel with x plus 2 whole square, because one is plus and the other is minus, so they two become 2 into x minus 1 whole square. And now put apply minus sign on this bracket, so it will become minus and minus into minus plus. Then here we see that these two value cancel with each other, so they add up and they give us 2 into under root x plus 2 whole square is equal to, now minus cancel with this minus, so minus minus cancelled, so 9 by 25. Again here we have square values, these two also cancel with each other. We have square values, so we will take square root on both sides, so we get under root x minus 1 whole square x plus 2 whole square is equal to, this is the square of 3 and this is square of 5, so 3 square divided by 5 square. Now in this case this square root is with this and this, we can write in separately, so these both square cancel with the square root, and x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 will be remain, and here square root cancel both of 3 and 5, and plus minus will be put up. So we can find two values here, one for plus and the second for minus. So we will write first in plus value 3 by 5 and second with minus 3 by 5 value. Then by cross multiplication we get 5x minus 5 is equal to 3x plus 6. So accommodate x variable values to one side and the constant to the other. So they will become 5x minus 3x, so result 2x, and here 6 and plus 5x if it moves to this side, so this will become 11. So dividing both sides by 2, so 2 cancel with here, and here 11 by 2. By dividing these two we get 5.5. this is one value of x. Now for negative, so this minus is with 3, so we multiply these two and these two. So 5x minus 5 is equal to minus 3x minus 6. Accommodate x variable value to one side, so it become 5x plus 3x, result 8x, and here it will move to this side, so it will become plus 5, so result minus 1. Then dividing both sides by 8, so it results minus 1 by 8. So we have two values, one is 5.5 and the other is minus 1 by 8. Now this is the last question of exercise 3.2, question number 7, part 3. We have value square root x square plus a square minus square root x square minus a square divided by x square plus a square plus square root x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 3. Now applying law of componendo dividendo, we write first this value and then put plus here. So we have applied minus on it. We can do it minus here in the upper side, so they both become minus because we have value plus in the denominator and minus value in the numerator, so we can apply minus procedure to the upper side numerator. Then we write again this value and we apply plus sign to it to the denominator, so then it will result this value, and then it become 1 minus 3 and 1 plus 3. Now see here in this equation, x square plus a square and x square plus a square cancel with each other, so this will result minus 2 under root a x square minus a square. And then in the denominator we see that this value and this value cancel with each other, so it result these are 2, so 2 under root x square plus a square. So now 2 cancel with this 2 and this 2 cancel with this 2, 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so it results, and this minus cancel with this one, so result is under root x square minus a square divided by under root x square plus a square is equal to 1 by 2. Now to remove this under root, we take square on both sides, so square root cancel with each other, so we have result these two values from this, and this is equal to 1 and 2 square, 2 2s are 4. Then by cross multiplication, so 4 multiply with these two, so 4x square minus a square is equal to x square plus a square. Then accommodate the same variables to one side, so 4x square minus x square, if x moves from this side, and 4a square it becomes plus to this side and plus a square. So this result 3x square and it results 5a square. Dividing both sides by 3, so we get x square is equal to 5 by 3 into a square. Then again taking square root, so we get square root cancelled here, and here is plus minus square root 5 by 3, and a will be separate from the square root because it's square root cancelled. So we have this exercise finished. I hope it is clear. If any problem, so you can comment me in this channel.